Okay, FM 101.7.
Yara Sami Jemfi, communications officer. Edema NDC Amanyuko no. Sami me moche.
Mi na midoso.
Na boko die.
Nyanko pon la Roma. Bibi akoko no so.
Enu amoye nsɛmtwofo nhye mu na madawroma na ɛde ne wɔ mu a wo ne wiase nyina bɛkyɛ.
Ame, bibi kai malenkia unyina na mo abaso papa. Esanse one producers ne umpanyifo mudi duma son pa yada mo ase wo akwanya mode ama yese yenkyekye yensem no ayedi tudwa ewo nsɛmtwofo nhye mu ayeye na se yenkyekye mu na Ghana for a entimi NTB no so etimi atibi kwame no kata hye ne proye ehun komo enti na yefre nsɛmtwofo eba yen national headquarters Ewadabraka because kwame hwe senior Owampenya Kufuado amamoyiko na kata hye ne proye dream kankan ne krono ati na edi omani nya na ewo se ye kan wasem because se ye mistake na ye sanso to aba ema Owampenya Kufuado se ye ma no form mo bi mu a eye krono dream ne proye ena omode ba be di omban no bebiri Owampenya Kufuado ebe prekonwa kwame yenyina ne wo mai we mu yete bosha ohye yete semu a omokan samre no MPP for campaign mo ye 2016 na dodo na gina kata hye ne proye so Owampenya Kufuado gina simpie so ka kire Ghana fo nyina se ono oye incorruptible chese omo krono da na nyade so a obetena konwa so a obeto so ama krono bo dream le proye akoso wona bem njo shebo se obebo Ghana isika ho ban se to abama no a say I will protect the public purse the manifesto mumpo de shebo se to abama no a he will fight corruption head on through preventive, detective, corrective and punitive measures. Measures enya di akata se ne proye ebitimi abana bemu amana yeye. Ne de na yihu Owampenya Kufuado betena konwa so ekumfie nan wadi boshe wi so ana woni so kata se ne proye ntokwa no akosi sen kata se ne proye ekosen enunti na no aye friends and trofo se yedi bibie nsem so akyere wo na magana fo atimi egun kura Owampenya Kufuado de nimpanyufo aka hye amenne nkuntumpudi ade no ometime husa no kure no na ometime esie gina ye pa ato abapa on 7 December just 10 days from today ene se ye kakata se ne proye ho asem and Owampenya Kufuado metumi abone tofa in 3 ways Owampenya Kufuado betena so de ehu abakata se ne proye number 1 let's say wababa beye the chief corruption clearing agent.
Sami,
the biggest promoter and enabler of corruption. Wabeye the chief patron of corruption.
Okay,
and only the first dimension of corruption are taking. Just say corruption no adon so Owampenya Kufuado abemu amene obi eyebi aya kono aye so attractive say and then abemu penyufo nyina ebo man no krono ewia o man ni sika
ayi Sami me pesenka obua yen kakra etiefuo ne afefo ehwe wo se mo amoye mranim fuei mota aka se not until say court be let me pronounce judgment say we wabokro no ubetimi aka no blanketedly say nipa no we corrupt wo de moya mranim fuei di
mene say I was for anzana court actually so your krom se bi e wo krom he nipa bebiri ne wo krom o mo bokro no am robbers bebiri ne wo krom o mo bokro no enti enchi o mo for mo court the am robbers here o mo kum Vanzeman MP yenya for mo court in jail o mo court bi anya ni o masem so mo ya for enti because of that enti no mo nya krom for ana
am you suspected criminals
there be o mo ya krom for
oh
usune wo ban
me what me bisa some ranu ni o
my MPP for opposition no mo John Mahama ye corrupt na court to be declared John Mahama so ye corrupt and then poor man penye kufu ado say John Mahama ye corrupt onya dance bia mo bisa na say court to be na aka say John Mahama ye corrupt and this MPP for opposition there people can be corrupt even when court nye ni o wase but mo betena ko mu dia yeva man for court anzana yakaso be a corrupt now corruption has got nothing to do with courts so wo bo man krono na dance here won say wo bo man krono na even state institutions ayo masade say omo ye hwehwemu akata se ne pro ye hwehwemu ede omo report ba bonten say wo bo o man krono ayo man na wo bo ne krono nya fe na ba be ka say fan court anza they say yeah I think I would think that by opinion movie no because who as a citizen won't mean for an court. And then if a chrono bet me na court, man pinny, like I said, as agent was of court. Or no, and I'm so the chief corruption clearing agent. Nakata said the proye bianeno, or no one on the presidency. Now what a chairman appointees Nina and or no from court. He's clearing them. So how then can you even say to be a corrupt if that is the standard that Evangas will be a corrupt? So that argument is neither here nor there. The point is that Mr. ABAJ, our Mampenye Kufuado Power, the Onkoda Public Procurement Authority, Okoda, one Wakotse company, your friend of talent is limited. Or the AJ are buying contracts, Brudu, so source any restrictive tendering, one of our contracts. Oje contrast no ye kra ma Ghana fo nya so mfa so anke ye ebi ya kwan ebi ye school ebi ye hospitals ni nyina oje ye no wakoton aji wutikedi special prosecutor Martina Midu ahwehwem SRAC constitutional body ahwehwem omo se papa na wia Ghana sika nko 450 billion wenya kro no na ye den ebi again onya kronfo no ye hwan
me question is Sammy ye betena wo mayim wo hu hwan ahwem we di two we so na we di ato mu amanyofo mo ka ko ha no ka ko ha wo bere bi a court bi emu a se ni
court bi emu a se ornament ase no for human rights
because me dia se bia me fan se me no mienu wo hoyi na bia kwa mkroma o kronfo akwaji sika o yesei oh Sami Jamfi o kronfo akwaji sika kwese
kwa me no bi ni ye ka ne hey we ye say asem ne ye ka na okay ye fe anya no bi ni ye ka ne hey nti now you are criticizing asem na ye ka no
baby
a constitutionally independent body the Commission of Human Rights and Administrative Justice established by the 1992 Constitution SRAC. I'm talking about the Office of Special Prosecutor established by an Act of Parliament. I confirm. In fact, before that, video evidence of ABAJ in the Juma Penufua. Almost ton of buying contract. Oh, what makes it a video? Oh, the Yabo checking accounts and what Ghana and the dollar account, the euro account, the CD account. Where we account 450 billion. Kwabrane nipa ba ko no one pam. Where we account 450 billion. E bet yes secondary school 100. E bet see hospitals 20. Where we account in the account we say hey Kwame. This is a serious matter. Flash na dia ba bonten. Office of Special Prosecutor na account details nyina omo na dia ba. Or haven't you seen the reports? Eba bonte wetinya be yi ano. So when you can be as an account. So you make cano, and you can't so, and you Muslim can, and you say, where are the findings of investigations by constitutionally independent and statutory bodies. Yeah, cano. And nothing as such, a constitution is what I recommend. They say, Papa, no, when you say your money, you buy you for the next 10 years. So the year can you once a year can when you say, and I'm near allegation. Apart from PPSME, boss, when you come and a boss and a committee or what say, so I'm about the sale of 5 million liters of contaminated fuel. Mother, on my for the year 2017, Ghana were Japan the oil, built 200 tankers, and then your friend 5 million liters. Nipa bone fo bi e di diesel akofra petrol afed afeno se na be omo beton adi omo ton no omo dia ama companies are omo ye fraudulent omo need license they put to do this kind of business Aya moving Pina Energy and Zup oil omo ton wie ye no ehun sika e wa se omo tua de ma oman companies ni tua ye omo fasika na di bisi ne boss ankasa ti committee amoma ye hwehwemu committee necessary way a criminal. They are dancing na kwame nkrumah kese billions of money Zup oil and moving Pina Energy for you. They have not paid it to the states. It's been more than 3 years. Sagana your man penya before the private company and Quebec company Nega Padiama will be 3 years on this gas. And the say or minus put that aside. PDS. Kwame wunu krom ha ana aban we yankasa minister for energy Peter Mewubeka say PDS for the fraud Ghana me wa kasa me boa
yeah
wunu krom na aban we minister for energy say insurance guarantee ya PDS for the best far ECG Ghana japade ECG ya worth 20 billion cedis that insurance guarantee no omo koji company bi fi Qatar ye fe no aku na guarantee ni nye papa e frakadam and beji ECG beji dey electricity bills Ghana for you electricity bills ko ECG na omo jeje ye sika 6 months sika omo jeje ye nkwa 1 billion cedis ni akire that is new cedis so sika 10 billion let's say 10 billion 100 billion sika ni nyina omo bu ho akonta besi ne omo yes Africa dam na omo de 419 insurance guarantee beji ECG wie no abai we yan review mu anka nkyere say that is Ambrosia review mu a ene gofreda memo committee review mu omo ye yan ama me kan kyere say insurance guarantee omo de ECG kura no omo de Ghana for ya yesika $12 million ene kutu ya ho premium that would $12 million e be tie na Ghana over 600 billion uni de sika ne betumi aye akwan ne hospitals any schools e betumi asi omo wia electricity bills omo mu ho akonta omo wia yesika de akoye fake insurance guarantee omo tanso amasika America for ka so omo de be mayen $190 million under power compact no aboyen ye timi yusu sa sika ni ya nka ye be qualify for original compact sika fofo bi aka America for de mayen ne dia yam numa $5 million and also aboyen kasa me boa ye na ya pro no say we then you look at 500 machine excavators come adam ye be view na wope odi krom and a minister for environment science and technology Professor Frimpong Boateng ankasa ba be press conference say almost your mo kwetia galamsey excavators 500 or mojiji free galamsey for ni nyina no enya ntaban atu ayira besinne excavators no wo yahu odi kromwa and the same Frimpong Boateng okay MPP vice chairman of central region ko wusi eko police station say excavators 500 no na awia e me na me report to ko wusi for still one of Frimpong Boateng the minister himself udi kromwa and a tape this out eko wusi bi minister 18 ko bo say ye part NPP yesika eti excavators yenfa bi ma Jombodu yenfa bi ma Nanadi yenfa bi ma Wei no mo fa ko ye adwuma because party yesika that tape haven't you watched it
yeah
obuko galamsey ntokwa no gold a obu CV from abrofo ne galamsey fo excavate any go out Nina way. Who be any Antoine? Where have they accounted for it? Only Kumwa. Galamsey for documentary, and now Zarim Yawana. On video, one which has BC, MPP, Regional Secretary for Western Region. I'm down here presidential staff on your man Kufuado on the year you the office. Together with Abraham Sabia, your friend and Josu, our personal assistant to MPP Asante Regional Chairman, Samawun to me. Edge Sika bundles of money. If you are for say, whilst we have stopped Ghanaians legal small-scale miners from even working, Abrofomo de Yajimu Kensibo de Monkoye Legalamsi and say you. Besinne, why they each has this you ready? Besinne, Equa, we see and found the auctioneer license a man. Omo my boy, a Crodu, and one of my Benyaku father the Nako course. Why the action as so? Sika Bebo, maybe they are in Rajama Ghana. So the man has become an embodiment of corruption. They say
President Yan up, Mamma, and I'm going for why.
Corruption, the way who now, who see a President Kufuadua, which Yano. Abandon about Ghana, could not so above minor chronosom and Pinu Kufuadua Bay. Right? Ghana, we don't have any other country than this country. Minka said this is the first time you who can send a project. But wait, dear, also for being the can I said, Abruso. Move deputy general secretary, Obibuan MPP. Or the MPP for the Omoya and Nano, or more than a Sika, or so we are grabbing. Or more MPP Congress will keep Kusunkwa, and the Ghana Sika 50 billion, according to this Obibuan. And Oman Penyo Kufuado. Edema MPP for some Mofankoye Congress. According to one deputy general secretary, 50 billion, or no man 5,000. Now John Bodu the first Kenina. Mina Mebekai, and yet. Na no Obibuan yan na nekai na bomochiche if you ask because of them me we yedi na chinye President Kufuado in 9 months 2019 uniha and order report called parliament say 9 months sika wodi 2 kwan enko aye 650 billion 9 months pe 650 billion because o 2 kwan our high private jet don share back we are Ghana to 800 million cedis $17,000 or high private jet no say me dey cover UEFA Champions League finance between Tottenham Hotspur and Liverpool because we team the Tottenham. No say Ghana Sika. COVID-19 buy insurance almost more yama frontline health workers. And premium 110 billion. Why not the man? And you mean about finance minister can do Koreata insurance company a friend enterprise insurance and not the in amount. COVID-19 buy every almost your more check Kaswa Kumasen and cry for 3 weeks. I get 550 billion and almost a model chairman. But see, almost never one contact. Oman Penya Wabetsina Punyasua. Not only is he and his appointee stealing state resources, but Obia Obenya Kukodro, Akasetia Katasene Proya, Ecoso, Wanabe Mubiano. Naya Pamona Finedumum. Near Tretino Yebekumo, Yakum Bimpo. This president who promised to fight corruption is now a fighter of corruption. And you can't, if you won't perceive it, I'm a swally, and I was okay, who be. I'm a swally, I know yet in some Tony or Konya Nas. And Nas, I'm a Benyaku for the opposition. Or can't obey you soon the principle to fight corruption.
Okay.
Kwame, maybe over the Manubisi. I'm a Benyaku for the buy, and Nas acquire number 12 expose. About Ghana football. I who question Yantechi, then president of Ghana football, saying, say, I'm Pinyaku Fuadu Shenibutum. I will use some Pinyaku Fuadu Dean Edison surprise. I did way back on saying, when you come one Canadian Japan, say, I didn't announce any partner, no person who or my Pinyaku Fuadu anyone say, on penny or threatening or with harm and death. Or so move for you in your nasty arm as well for you. What will you be a Buomo? What will you be a Kumomo? A Begiscamo. Apampa, I'm as well. If I want for the Uncle Bonnie to Uncuno, I'm a Neoyan and the man you know. Martina Bidua, Omoje, no so special prosecutor. And then, or so more chrome or mobile, don't mean your money you may be. Don't mean your money you must swap. Because a Japa or my Penya Kufuado, Afghan is 240 billion. Edi amagabi osredako ne maami nuaba odi amatenu foriata ne maami nuaba 240 billion Ofa ya de man ya wo se on fa mayen. Matena mi du ko kan, mo se mo be ku no. Obesi ni fie, mo be ma akronfo akono. Ye ne yen fa nye, ensem 40 se Manase, eni Edward Aditi. Ejene o ma titre yen se agu yaki, e no mo bo yasu, o kasa ye se men kasa. Krono e ko so ye wu bi da. Abusiama mo kra de ene mi ni se wundi time ti mi fa ho. Na wo hwe krono an ko mampenya kufu ado mamma miensa. Edwena kufu ado Valerie Obaze enjankroma kufu ado e de bo men ya. O makoti ko my sister Sipa. Akọ Ghana Commercial Bank akọji 2.4 billion. Sa ube suwa mo my Ghana. What am I saying? O mampenya kufu ado edi Ghana fo hamo. Bossa was share say or the Bible quote ya katasese ne for ye wo buso. He is the most corrupt president in Ghana's history. Krono ono ankasa na no one say biane no wata man appoint. He is himself corrupt. Because a Mary innovation deal ono ankasa na my executive approval abrana wa fa kwati kwanso e di $880 million ato ne bo so. ABC minority MP say no mra say bebiam no. O say boache dey akwa misleading no. But nobody misled him. Ono ankasa na nke bo man krono.
Sami medasio.
Enti say e ba beto ababiemu a. Na MPP for corruption and the campaign 2016. And then the Omadia to say they have failed. And unti omon person will be kata se ne proya sem bi mu a. Insanka nyame se kwa menkrumati kese wo ho. No be ma yakwa nyame aka kata se ne proya sem. Because Ghanaians are interested in the omanpenya kufu ado di omuti keye. So za ban no e boy krono na dipa kakra bi pe na edi esika. Abraye ya kwa ya sei. Yesu schools, ye hia more schools to end double track. Ye hear more hospitals there. And ye pene so. I was see a casa no crow magana for Ghana. Now on 7th December, you vote against this corrupt government. Because you can dear any of manager party no more from no. Wame adore so do. And that is why on Monday a Jordan. Yenina ye kaya ho bom e won kran abonten so. Na ya tinte so kokko a kire o mampenye kufu ado aban. Abraya beye probity and accountability match. Yenina ye be sia circle interchange baby abdodo na friend of brass sports. Anopa no nsia Monday ye wura John Dramani Mahama be wo. Na yenina ya nantia fa nkran monten so aka tro mampenye kufu ase. Ayeye enough is enough. Ye sika 240 billion Ghana cedis no dia mane ma mi nua ma bienu kenufori atane gabi no ye sika.
Medasa no pay.
Don't call me contract for sales scandal na. ABA area Ghana sika 450 billion no. Ye sika. All these monies they have boss dia omodi ama moving pina over 500 million Ghana. Ye sika. Na nya sa dia 7 December obetse bobo le bobo.
Medasa Sami.
Eso medasa.
Medasa Sami Jamfini and any communications officer Eddie Emma NDC amanyuku ye beto abai eja say ya amanyuku ahodo no obi a beka ne de na Ghana nso na wafam na wasigina ye me
Okay FM 101.7